Today is part 8 of hairstyles you can do with a single scrunchie. Today we are going to be doing one of my viral bun styles. You've probably seen me do this bun before, but I'm going to show you how you can do it with just a scrunchie. No pins, no other elastics. Why would you want to use a scrunchie instead of some other elastics? Well, a satin scrunchie is going to be very gentle. So if you are someone who likes to wear your hair up in buns a lot, a scrunchie, especially a soft satin or velvet one, is a great alternative to traditional hair ties, as it's going to lessen the potential breakage that wearing your bun often can cause. And it also is great for adding extra volume if you don't have a lot of hair. Scrunchies are awesome at adding more volume, much more so than just a hair tie. So for this one, we are going to do the usual way that we start pretty much every bun, and we're going to pop our hair up on top of our head where we want our bun to sit. I'm going to take my hair tie in one hand, and I'm going to pull my hair through like I'm making a ponytail, but on the last tie, I'm not going to pull it all the way through. I'm just going to pull it halfway through and leave my tail of my hair sticking out the end. Now, if your hair is shorter than mine, you might not be able to do this style because you do need a little bit of a tail, or you could probably do it, but you would maybe need to use a smaller hair tie, because the bigger the hair tie, the less of a tail you're going to be left with. How many times you're going to wrap the scrunchie is going to depend on the size of your scrunchie and how thick or thin your hair is. Just remember that you want to tie it as many times as you need to for it to be tight enough. So if you need to tie it 3 times for it to be tight enough, then you're going to wrap it twice as a normal ponytail, and on the 3rd time you would only do it halfway through. Or if you only need to wrap it twice to be secure, then the 2nd time you would only go halfway through, or 4 times. You get the picture. So we're going to start creating our ponytail. Now I only need to do it 2 times with these scrunchies. They're quite small, and I'm just going to pull it halfway through, and I've got my tail. Now I'm going to take my tail and I'm just going to bring it around to the front of my head like this. Situate so the bun is facing forward and the openings are on either side. So I did make sure that I adjusted so that the bun wasn't only facing sideways when I pulled it forward. That will just look a little bit different than how my bun ends up looking today if you don't make that adjustment. Then I'm going to take my tail and I'm going to open up one of the loops of my scrunchie. I'm going to stick it in. Just literally shove all those ends in there. And then we're going to do our classic fluff and pull. Now for the front, because we've shoved everything in, you only want to pull side to side. You want to refrain from pulling forward, or you're going to pull those ends out. And for the back bit, just adjust. You can pull in all directions. This typically results in a nice, big, fluffy bun for me, especially when I do it with a scrunchie, because that scrunchie is creating the foundation for my bun. I'm also going to loosen my base as we do, because I think this is a fluffy bun, and with a fluffy bun, I like a fluffy base. Let me show you from the sides and the back. This one is super easy, but it can feel tricky getting used to fluffing it after you've tucked those ends in, especially if you don't have a long tail to work with. If you have a longer tail of hair to work with, it's going to feel a little bit easier. You're going to have more room to play with it, but don't give up. Keep working on it. It really isn't that hard once you figure out how to manipulate your hair. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you're enjoying my scrunchie series. I know some of you have already told me that you are, so I'm trying to continue to come up with some of my most common hairstyles, but just doing them with just the scrunchie for you guys. So if you're still enjoying that, let me know. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, because I have a couple more scrunchie videos coming up. Thank you so much for watching today.